my name is Dr. Uma Hassan, and today I am reflecting on the most important topic, that is meaning, scope, and development of anthropology. By meaning of anthropology, we would going to comprehend our understanding to the fact that how anthropology is in the service to humanity. It is oriented to bring peace, social stability, and coexistence in the world. And UPSC did several times ask questions on it. The scope of anthropology would further elaborate on the important dimension of anthropology, that is biosocial characteristics, which is the hallmark of anthropology as a discipline. In other words, it is going to reflect on the nature of the discipline of anthropology. Anthropology is a study of human evolution, how humans originated. To understand that, we are going to go back billion years ago. What had happened? So what happened 4.6 billion years ago? How we have got sun and its planets, how we have got earth, what made earth livable for us, how the condition of earth is so different what it used to be when there was no life forms. Again, we are going to know what George Lemaitre have said about the Big Bang. We are going to know about the galaxies. Then we are also going to know about DNA, how we have got singular cellular organism. So from single cell, how we have become multicellular organism, and particularly how we have become humans. So it is a journey of mankind. So it is a journey of mankind, so it cannot come in just one go. It requires phases to get developed. Okay, so we are learning about humans and its development in phases. So that is the development of anthropology. So meaning, scope, and development of anthropology, according to me, is the most difficult and interesting also to know with respect to your exam also, because it is going to create your knowledge base for entire anthropology in particular and for UPSC in general. So it is very important to know about this particular topic. So when I would be teaching this syllabus, I focus more and more in depth on this particular topic, because if I'm focusing on the development of anthropology, meaning of anthropology, these 2-3 topics are automatically covered. It does not mean that we do not have to deal with this topic separately. We do have to deal with this topic separately, but all those dimensions will be covered already in topic 1. Okay, and if you see the kind of question which UPSC is asking on this part, okay, if you see all the questions, right, they are asking very interesting questions on this. So in 2022, they asked, anthropology is a systematic, objective, holistic study of humankind in all times and places. Elaborate the argument, elaborate the scope of anthropology, define anthropology, critically examine the role of anthropology. Now, to deal with this question, first of all, you must be having proper understanding of directives. You must be knowing what is critically examined, what is elaborate, what is assess, and then you must have good content. So I would say that you need to know these basic understanding for anthropology, right? So how anthro means man, logos means study. It looks at humans as something complex in terms of physical, emotional, social, and cultural complexity. So it's a science of humans and their culture. Okay, this is our right approach to deal with this particular topic. It's a very easy discipline. When you opt for anthropology, you're not only going to cover for your optional, for with the content it is having, you're also going to prepare for your essay, and you would see generally all options are interdisciplinary in nature, but you're going to enjoy the journey with anthropology more as compared to any other disciplines. because the vastness of UPSC exam is actually very much similar to the vastness of anthropology in terms of gaining the knowledge. Questions are coming direct. If you have covered the syllabus, if you have made the answers on the subtopics of the syllabus, you are done with anthropology. All you have to have answer writing skills. Okay? So in coming lectures, I would be reflecting more on this particular topic, the meaning of anthropology, the scope of anthropology, how it got developed. Thank you.